Hey guys, this is Taylor here at Truck World RBA, and today we're going to be looking at a 2012 Ford F-550 6.7 power stroke 4-wheel drive. It has an IMT Dominator bed, a 7500 series crane, hydraulic PTO driven air compressor, and again it is 4-wheel drive. This truck has just at 200,000 miles on the chassis. It has a brand new complete drop-in OEM engine with a warranty, 2-year unlimited mile warranty. So that's the engine, the entire fuel system, so the CP4, injectors, turbo, all that is brand new. And the truck runs and drives great. 4 new tires across the rear. This truck came to us from down in Tampa. Does not have any rust in the bins, chassis, you know, the cab, the frame, it's all very dry. We'll get up and look at the undercarriage as well a little bit later on in the video here. Hydraulic outriggers, tow hitch receiver. So the goal of these videos is to show you everything you might want to see on the truck if you were here in person looking at it yourself. If there's anything you want more close-up pictures, videos, information on, please feel free to call or text anytime. It's 804-716-8487. I'm going to do a cold start here in a second, and then we'll do a full walk around, look inside every bin, the undercarriage, and then at the end of the video, we'll do a crane demonstration and demonstrate the compressor and the outriggers as well. So again, if at any point you see anything you want a little bit more information on, 804-716-8487. This is all I buy and sell, so if you're looking for something similar, let me know. I will point out the only thing that we have left to do on the inside is a new seat bottom, so please ignore that. I know that looks terrible. We have the new bottom coming in on Monday. I just wanted to go ahead and shoot the video today, this weekend, before the week starts, and I don't have any time. So again, it is 4-wheel drive, 205, 613 on the miles. Again, brand new engine. PTO. Power locks, power windows. It does have cruise control as well. We did not do anything to the service body in terms of paint. A lot of bodies we get in, we sandblast and have them refinished. This one has a few minor rock chips here and there, but overall, the factory finish on this one was pretty clean, so we did not feel the need to do that. I'm going to go ahead and zoom the camera out here just so you can get a better shot of the bin as a whole. Just something to point out, this lip is a little bit bent on that one door. There's a little bit of a gap up here. Just something to point out. Go back to the normal zoom. I feel like the picture quality is not as good on these videos when I zoom out, but it does help to see what's going on a little bit better, especially when I'm close up to the service body. Shot of the crane. Again, it has hydraulic outriggers, tow hitch receiver. Ooh, some extra metal. A little bit of rock chipping here along this edge, as you see. There we go. I finally got that camera to refocus. Factory wireless remote. Hose reel regulator. 7,500 pound capacity crane. The 21.8 max reach. Except for the driver's seat cover that's being replaced, the interior is nice and clean. Power locks, power windows, cruise control, vinyl seats and rubber floors, typical work truck spec. Four-wheel drive on the floor. It does seem to have an aftermarket rear camera. I have not yet tested that, but I will here in a few. A little bit of staining in the headliner. All right, I'm gonna jump right into the outriggers, compressor, and the crane demo. Again, if you have any questions at all or wanna see anything else close up, 804-716-8487 is my number. You can call or text that number anytime, and I'm happy to send you over any additional information. Crane operates great. That winch is nice and quiet. Again, it's just shy of a 22-foot max reach. We'll go out full extension here. I'll swing it up in the air, swing it around a little bit. It's a factory wireless remote, so as I showed earlier, the remote controls the compressor on and off as well. It's your maximum extension there. Shoot her up in the air. Even in the rotational portion, there's really no slop at all. The crane is nice and tight. That operates really well. Here, I'll get up close and show when I stop. Swing it back around and bring it down. Retract in the boom. Pick up that winch a little bit. So just to wrap up, it's a 2012 Ford F-550, brand new 6.7, new turbo, new injectors, new fuel pump, hydraulic outriggers, PTO driven hydraulic air compressor, 7500 series crane, Dominator service body, nice and clean underneath with no rust. And if you have any questions at all or need any other pictures, videos, information, please feel free to contact me anytime at 804-716-8487. Again, this is all that I buy and sell, so if you're looking for anything similar or set up just a little bit different, give me a call, shoot me a text anytime, and I appreciate you watching.